Yo, what up? This is gonna be the first video in the series called Road to 10K. It's basically a series where I document my like every day until I get 10K in payouts. Um, right now I'm sitting this year I'm at 600, but um, yeah, we're just gonna keep adding on to that. But I'm gonna get into what I saw on the charts. I did not take any trades today. But let's go and see why. So this is today's price action. This is just the 1 hour time frame, but we didn't really retrace anything. We've just been very one directional, and that's just not something I want to trade. It would be like awesome if I caught like this opportunity, but we didn't really retrace or anything, so I just called it. Yeah, like we barely got a 15, we did get a 15-minute retracement, but that was like before lunch. And again, I'm not trading that, so, and right here, but yeah. Just, yeah, not enough conviction on anything that happened. Um, yeah, hopefully tomorrow's better. I'm not really in a rush to trade though, so yeah, we'll see. Peace, I'll see you guys
What up,
tomorrow.
guys? Second take, totally just recorded the video that I wanted to, and then I didn't turn my mic on. So hopefully it's on now. I'm chilling. Today is January 13th, 2026. Second day in the road to 10K. Today was CPI. I did trade CPI on two Alpha Future evals. Don't really recommend it. But you got to use prop firms. You got to take advantage of them. But yeah, so I got enough. I passed these two accounts, and now I have two Alpha Future Lab accounts. So we're chilling. But yeah, I'll get into the trades. So I ended up taking three trades. This is just the 15-minute time frame, and then this is the well, my evals are gone. Yeah, I should be getting an email soon to switch over to live. But yeah, so this is the CPI um, candle. Basically 35 points above, and then 50 points above that was my TP. So I mean, so you got in, got out. I was in that trade for like 3 minutes. And then so then that put me up like 2.2. Um, and then these trades, I don't know why my chart's all wonky like that. Yeah, so this was a rejection off of this 5 minute. So I sold. I was looking for an inverse. I ended up getting a 30-second inverse, which I don't take 30 seconds, but this was the first trade. Um, Basically, this candle right here, I was on my NQ chart. So I got in and then closed it because I didn't see it pop on my screen. And then I realized I was on the wrong chart. So I re-entered. Thank God that it came up to like a place that I could get in. Came up, took it down here. So then I was up like 2.8 on the account. So then I was like, okay, like I need one more trade. And then this, I only need like 7.5 points. This was just like a not a good trade, but it is what it is. Yeah, I'm not really tweaking. I literally just needed to pass the account. Like this had absolutely no conviction. You could say like this 1 minute or 30-second inverse, but I wasn't looking at it. But yeah, so made that today on two accounts, just taking advantage of CPI and prop firm leverage. But yeah, overall solid day. I think I'm probably going to be done trading today unless I like 100% see a setup that I like would take, but price action's been kind of wonky. I'll probably just get off and be on with my day. Um, but yeah, I mean, solid day. Absolutely no complaints. What I learned today, just to take advantage of prop firms. The leverage is absolutely crazy. So, just try to pass them as fast as you can. There's no, like, you shouldn't be sitting around on an eval treating it like a live account. You want to get in, get out. But yeah, so did that. I'll probably, like I said, probably be done today. But yeah, I'm excited to get into it tomorrow and hopefully trade these 2 live accounts. But yeah, peace. What up, guys? It's day 3 of the road to 10K. Today, first day trading on my Alpha Futures accounts, and I'm down about $600, 300 on each account. Took a pretty bad trade today. Didn't really follow my rules. I probably shouldn't have traded at all today, but learning experience. I mean, really no excuse. I saw a setup that I thought was good. Looking back on it, I should not have taken it. It didn't check all my boxes. I just thought it looked good. But yeah, let's get into that idea. So starting off today, let me go to 9. So all right, so starting off today, this is the hourly chart. Where did we? Yeah, this is the 9 a.m. candle. We just did not get any type of retracement or anything. It's just not what I wanted to see. Where is that trade? The first one right here, I don't even know what I was trading, bro. Like this, it was just stupid. Like honestly, it was dumb. Like I should not, point blank period, should not have traded this. I think like the idea was this 5-minute rejection, and I lost money, and that's completely my fault. Yeah, I should have followed my rules, point blank period. We'll be back tomorrow. I'm not sure if there's news or anything. Let's see. If unemployment claims at 7:30 Central Time, so that should be a good healthy day. But yeah, we'll check it out, and I'll catch y'all tomorrow. All right, what up, guys? It's day 3. It's day 3 or 4 of the Road to 10K challenge. Down 300 per account today, so 600 in total. I'm down around 600, a little less than 600 on the accounts in total, so a little more than 1%. Took another bad trade today. Setup didn't follow my rules, and I took the trade anyway. I think it was more of an impatient trade. I don't know if I even had a setup for my strategy today. No, I mean, yeah, morning. I didn't have a single setup for my strat today. Point blank period, can't make those mistakes. I mean, I feel like I said the same thing yesterday, and I feel like I get in this like weird mindset where it's like I know my strategy works, but then I see something and I think, oh, I can get this, and that's literally just not being disciplined enough. And this morning I wasn't disciplined. I took this trade and I paid for it, literally. Point blank period, cannot make these mistakes again. I think I had like the last 2 weeks of December were really good. I think I found a setup every day. I found a setup on Monday, but Tuesday and today there's nothing. That's totally normal. I feel like I get maybe on a good week I'll get 5 good setups. On a bad week I'll get like 3. This is the bad week. I have to keep reminding myself that I know my strategy works. There's no reason why I should be taking anything other than my strategy. And every time I don't do that, I pay for it because I'm impatient. and I'm not disciplined. And I simply cannot be those things if I want to be successful in this. So I'll show you guys the trade. Um, Basically, we came down. We reversed this. My validation for the trade was this is a strong rejection candle. We also rejected this like 5 minute, I think. And we had this 1 minute that we just destructed. So I was like, okay, I'll just take a 1-to-1. And my TP was like right here. And I got out. Yeah, stop loss was right here. And we just kept. Like, stupid trade. I shouldn't have taken the I shouldn't have took it. This is what beginner traders do. I'm not mad that I lost. I am upset at myself for not following my rules. But at the same time, I know I could make it back tomorrow if I follow my rules and take a trade. So it's whatever. This is the game. You know, this is what I signed up for. But yeah, that's all. That's gonna end today's video. But yeah, peace. Catch y'all tomorrow.
Yo, what's good, you guys? Day 5 of the Road to 10K challenge. Today I made like 960 bucks. Pretty solid. Glad I'm ending the week. I'm ending the week just about break even, which is fine. I had a rough 2 days. I was blessed with pretty good price action today. I took advantage of it. I waited. I was patient. I set my limits. I didn't market order into anything. I did what I had to do, but I'm happy for this, and I'm excited for next week. So yeah, let's get into it. So basically, this is the 5 minute. We started off where, like here. Start out here, and we just started dumping. First 5 minute retracement. I mean, it's plain and simple. It's textbook, you know. We get a retrace into 5 minute. We did not have a 1 minute inverse, or a 1 minute. Yeah, so I dropped to the 30-second, which I don't do a lot. Slightly lower win rate with the 30-second inverses, but yeah, so took this little tiny inverse. Basically, we came through. I waited and got in on the limit, and I mean that was easy. Not a lick of drawdown. Yeah, and then we kept running, but I only took a 1-to-1. So, but yeah, man. That's about it. I'm done for the week. Um, I'm gonna enjoy the weekend. Bears play on Sunday. You know, go Bears. Don't know if I got any Rams fans in the comments, but Matt Stafford is not coming to Chicago and dropping 20 points on the Bears defense in 4-degree weather. It's just not gonna. It's simply not gonna happen. But yeah, I'm gonna go to the gym and enjoy the rest of my day. It is snowing right now, but you know it is what it is. But catch y'all next week. Peace.